Try to open any app on your Android, but you face this error. Device validation failed. But don't worry, I am here to fix this problem. So without any further ado, let's fix this problem. First, open Play Store on your Android, and here enter the name of app that giving you the error. Here you will see update option next to app. So click on update and wait for downloading. Once the download complete, it will automatically installed on your Android. After installation, click on open, and here you can see the app is open and working fine without any errors. So if this video helped, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.